The Orico Power Strip presents itself as a comprehensive solution for managing power and charging needs. Designed to expand available outlets, this electronic socket aims to serve both residential and professional environments with equal utility. At its core, this device functions as a multiprise, providing multiple AC outlets suitable for various electronic devices. Complementing these are two integrated USB ports, offering a direct and convenient method for charging compatible portable electronics. A significant feature is its built-in surge protector, designed to safeguard connected electronics from unexpected power fluctuations. Its versatility makes it suitable for a range of applications. In a home setting, it can power entertainment systems or charge personal devices like smartphones and tablets. For the office, it efficiently supports computers, monitors, and various peripherals, ensuring all essential equipment remains powered. The inclusion of an extension cable provides flexibility in placement, reaching distant wall outlets with ease. Designed with practicality in mind, the Orico Power Strip features an EU plug, ensuring compatibility with European power standards. Its wall-mounted design offers a distinct advantage, allowing users to secure the unit and potentially declutter desk or floor space. This thoughtful design choice contributes to a more organized and accessible power setup, enhancing overall usability. Overall, the Orico Power Strip consolidates essential power and charging functions into a single unit. It combines the utility of multiple AC outlets with dedicated USB charging and the crucial protection of a surge suppressor. This blend of features positions it as a practical choice for anyone looking to efficiently manage their electronic devices in either a home or office environment.